Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete account on Soundtrap. So here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to delete your Soundtrap account. The first thing to do is to open your Soundtrap web app in the browser and enter your email and password to log into your account. Now, on the home page, once you are logged in, which is the home page displayed here, go ahead and click on your profile name, which is at the top left corner of the navigation panel. Click on the three dots menu right next to it. You have a drop-down menu, settings, subscriptions, and logout. Now click on settings to open the account settings page. Now within the account settings page, scroll down to where you have the option to close your account. So scroll down to see if that's even going to be available for you. Now, if you scroll down, you see that that is not available for you. So it means within the Soundtrap's website or the internal site itself, you cannot close your account directly as compared to other sites. But there is something that you can definitely do to close your account. Now, if you check the bottom right corner of your screen, you're going to find the support button. Now, click on the support button and the support bot will open up for you. This is Soundtrap support. Now, in here, in this inbox, go ahead and tell them that in here you have to be very detailed about your reason. Just let them know that you want your account to be deleted or you want your account to be closed. Provide the reasons why you want your account to be closed, and once you're done, just go ahead and hit the send button and your message will be sent to them. And that's just pretty much the process. They're going to walk you through how you can get your account deleted on Soundtrap. So go back to the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.